The instructional design tool that I'm using today is called Quizizz, and it's an alternative way to quiz your students. The thing you're going to do is make an account and log in. It's free. And you open up to a public feed of a bunch of quizzes that other teachers and educators have made that can be useful to you in the classroom. So if you want to create your own quizzes, you go to create and the setup comes up. I've already made one regarding my SLO, which is students will examine the correct structure of an equation. And we'll go to edit so you can see the format again. You can type in here and you can edit your question, and you can have up to 4 options of answers. Each question you go down and you can see what it looks like. You can make a timer for each question that the students have to finish it in by, and you can change the format if you wanted to. So I'm finished. And you can use the grade range mathematics and tags. And I think this is if you are using it for a public reason, so other people can search and look for a quiz to use. So right now we're going to play it live. And what students have to do is copy the game code and go to join.quizizz.com, or if there's an app, they can use that and enter the code. And now we're gonna proceed. It already knows my name. So now, as a teacher, you go and start the game for the class. And this is the teacher view, and this is the student view. And so the question pops up, what does a plus sign look like? So what the students have to do is click on the correct answer, and right away they get validated for it. Next, you can go on to the equation. So let's say that the student answers this question wrong. So obviously this is not the correctly rewritten equation. So then the student gets 0 points. And then the teacher can go back and go over the question and reiterate on which one was correct and which one was not correct, and basically teach that thought again. So now, after getting through all the questions, the game is over. The student receives their information that they got from the game, and they can exit, and you can provide them with another game to play. And now, from the teacher's perspective, you can see which students got the answers and numbers of the questions correct and incorrect, and then you can give them a score based on that. This can be used as a grading and instruction process, or you can use it as a classroom activity. And it's a really good way for them to be involved in the classroom.